What's up, guys? Universal Mastery. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 3 ways to attract a specific person into your life ASAP. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this video is going to be interesting because I'm gonna teach you how to use your mind to bring about a specific person into your life, okay? And you can also use this for anything that you want to attract in your life, okay? So basically what we're going to do is we're going to tap right into the real truth of the law of attraction, okay? So the law of attraction has some it has some faults to it, meaning that the way most people perceive the law of attraction is completely false, okay? It's completely false. People think you can be lazy and all you have to do is think about something and it will manifest. But the truth is you need to balance it out with your actions, because people tend to forget that your actions are the rituals to manifesting what it is that you're looking to receive in your life, okay? Did you hear that? Break that down. The actions that you take for the manifestation of whatever it is that you want are the rituals that need to be done in order to receive that thing that you want to manifest. Okay, so in when it comes to bringing or attracting someone that you want into your life, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to really want them in your life. Okay, that's the main thing. You're really gonna really have to want them in your life. Like, there's gonna be no faking about it. Like, you're gonna have to really want them, and you're gonna have to put laser beam focus on that. Okay, so you're gonna have to think about this person. You're gonna have to think about what it would feel like to be with them, to have them around you, to be around you. And then through all of this thinking, all of this mental projection, you're gonna have to take action. You're gonna have to text them, okay? Or you're gonna have to call them. You're gonna have to open up that channel where you get into their life. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna say you can just do all this stuff and then this person's randomly gonna text you. Now, I'm also not gonna say that won't happen either. That could totally happen, depending on how good you are at manifesting and how good you are with, getting mental focus. You could very well, be thinking about someone and then poof, they go and text you right there and then. Like, it can happen like that. But I'm telling you the most, like, as if, like, let's say you're a Navy SEAL and you have an objective and you have no option but to be 100% dead accurate with your objective and receiving what you want. And that's the formula that I'm going to give you. Okay, so once again, you're going to have to think about this person. Like, you're going to have to spend time and energy thinking about this person wanting you, thinking about good times with this person or things that you want to have manifest with this person, whatever that is. I'm not going to put any boundaries or barriers or tell you this is right and this is wrong, whatever it is, because whatever it is that you manifest, that's going to be your reality, that's going to be your responsibility. Don't ever forget that. So, you're going to have to focus on it. Focus. Always wake up and want this person. Send them a text. Do something. Now, obviously, if it gets to a certain point where it's like this person is just not into you and they're getting creeped out, like, big time, that you keep trying to, like, contact them or have them like you, then that person's not meant to be in your life. Meaning that you're trying way too hard to have something in your life that is not meant to be there anymore. Like, there's someone else out there. There's something else that you should be doing rather than trying to attract this person, because this person may be a dead weight for you, but you may be emotionally attached. So it's hard for you to fully understand, like, why can't I have this person? I really want them. But the truth in the bigger picture is that you need to move on. You need to do something else. But there's only one way to find that out, and that's to try and attract them in your life. And you may very well attract this person into your life and then realize that they are a dead weight and you don't want them anymore, and realize, wow, I spent a lot of time and energy on this, and I realized a lesson in this. I realized that I didn't need to do that. I realized I'm capable of doing that, which is a cool thing to know, that you have that in your tool belt. But you may very well realize that that's not something that you should even have in the first place, like a person like that in your life. Maybe there's something else you should be doing. Maybe you should be working and using that focus and that energy to build something for yourself, like a business or whatever, something that's going to serve you and your new generations down the road, your legacy even. Like if you're going to have kids one day, boom. But it's all that skill of putting your mind to something and really focusing on it to the point where you have to have it. You've got to feel what it's like to have that person. Okay, you got to feel what it's like to have that person, and once again, you got to think about it daily, and then you have to take action to receive that. Like text them, say, hey, let's go grab a bite to eat, or let's go on a date. Let's go do this. Let's go catch a movie. Try and find ways to spend time with this person, and as soon as you get in that doorway where you're there and you're constantly thinking about this person, odds are is they're going to want you. Odds are is that there's so much mental power that you're putting into it that you're creating these egregores, these thought forms that are now essentially manipulating that person into being more attracted to you. Okay? And for anyone who's listening to this that's like, that's not cool, like it's not cool to be manipulating, I have to stop you right there, because everything's manipulation. Like there's manipulation that I consider to be right manipulation and wrong manipulation. Everything is manipulation. The second you tell me something about what you want me to know, whether that's for my own good or for my own not good, you're manipulating me to try and get me to believe what you're saying. Once again, whether that's for the good or for what's not good for me. Okay? I have to be, my goal is I have to be wise enough to decipher, is this going to be good for me or is this not going to be good for me? See what I'm saying? So, and then I'm going to teach you one step to take it a step further, okay? If you do meditation, which I highly recommend if you want to have this come about as fast as possible and as straightforward as possible, like when you're in your meditations, when you're in your meditative state, if you don't know how to meditate, go and check out my other videos. I have videos on this, okay? I have videos on exactly how to meditate, okay? Light a candle, get some incense, draw a sigil, get into this meditative state, okay? And then in this meditative state, start really thinking about it. Okay, so while you're in meditation, while you have your candles lit, while your incense is burning, put your intention of this feeling for this person, this attraction you want this person to have for you into that candle, and put it into that incense, and make that whole meditation focused upon this person being attracted to you. And that is going to be essentially magic. That's going to be like a spell. You're raising energy. You're raising all this energy around you, and you're commanding it to go and have it do your bidding. Like, I want this person to be attracted to me. I'm raising all this energy and I'm pushing it towards them so that I get what I'm looking to receive, results. So that will take it to another level, and you will see results like that if you do that. But it, depends on how serious you are. If you're not that serious about this person liking you, then it's probably not going to work. One of two things: you're not serious about it, it's not going to work, or you may be serious about it, you may be taking all the actions, but it's not working because maybe there's something that maybe you're not supposed to have this person in your life. I don't want you to get all caught up in the mindset of like, it's not working for me, it's not like, what's wrong with me, or this. It may be a bigger picture behind it. There might be something better there for you, so you're putting all your energy into something that you don't need. Like, why would you put all your energy into receiving $5, like a $5 bill, when there's a $50 bill that's been waiting for you to grab it, but you're so focused on the $5 bill, and you're like, give me the $5 bill, but the $50 bill is right around the corner. You just have to keep going. You see what I'm saying? So that's going to wrap this video up. Feel free to drop down in the comments below if you have any questions. I will engage with you. And then add me on Instagram, JER_477. You can send me a direct message and I'll message you there too. And also go and check out my merch in the description below. It's going to be that first link called Streamlabs, and it has sigils on my shirts. Okay, I created these sigils specifically. They're also pretty cool shirts. They have the red eyes in the dark right here on both sleeves. So they're really, they're cool shirts, and they have sigils on it. Through these sigils, when people gaze at it, the subconscious mind recognizes it and it charges it with energy, and you can use that energy for whatever means that you want. You can harness it and put it wherever you want. So definitely go check that out. Once again, it's the first link in the description. But other than that, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.